What is an investment? What do you need to invest? How do you invest in yourself? What is money? What is wealth? What is the purpose of investing? And what good does it do to us? Finally, the conclusion. So, what is an investment? What is an investment? An investment is some kind of an asset which puts money in your pocket over a period of time consistently, which means that money is working hard for you 24/7. So, what do you need to invest? Whenever this question is asked, in general, the first thing that strikes is money. Yes, that is 100% accurate, and money is very important, and you need money to invest. But think about this, without proper knowledge and experience, even one starts investing their money, it won't do any good, right? It would be like gambling. Before starting to invest your money, you should make sure to invest in yourself. As the old saying goes, knowledge is power and wisdom is eternal. The more you invest in yourself, you will acquire more knowledge, which in turn helps you make right decisions, cultivate good habits and good attitudes like discipline and patience, which are most required for investing, with which you will surely build wealth over a period of time. So, how do you invest in yourself? You can start investing in yourself by reading good books written by famous investors and or famous businessmen like Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, Bill Gates, Jack Bogle, Mohnish Pabrai, Guy Spear, to name a few. You need to understand one thing about these great people on planet Earth. There is one common thing among these great businessmen or great business people that makes them unique. That one unique, or it could be a common thing among these great investors, is that they spend a lot of time on reading. It could be books, it could be newspapers, it could be articles. They make sure that they are up to date on the information and they know what's going on around them. You need to understand one thing, that it takes right knowledge, discipline and patience to build wealth. Start by reading books from these famous authors. Read their biographies, autobiographies, and understand how they experienced failures before succeeding. Prepare yourself and set your mind and expectations that there will be rough roads ahead and volatility ahead when you start investing your money. Understand the risks and rewards. Warren Buffett says, when people are fearful, be greedy, and when people are greedy, be fearful. Attend seminars or workshops conducted by the experienced business people. Learn from them. Try to be in the circle of like-minded people and be fearless to discuss your ideas with them. Start a business and learn from it. Until now, we looked into a couple of topics in investing. The next question is very important. It is, what is money? Simply said, money is a commodity. It is a medium in which prices and values of products are expressed. Money is used to exchange goods between people, and money is the principal measure of wealth, but money itself is not wealth. So you may come back and ask this question, if money is not wealth, then what is defined as wealth? Wealth is something that gives you financial freedom. Wealth is something that makes you sleep at nights without any fear, without any negative thoughts, without any nightmares, and that builds confidence in yourself. I took some of them what makes sense to me. To me, wealthy means being knowledgeable, having financial freedom, being spiritually and physically healthy, and at last, giving away what we have acquired to the deserved people when we are old. After listening to this, you may ask, what is the purpose of investing and what good does it do to me? I would say, by investing your money and time and effort, you will build your wealth. If you start investing at your young age, by the time you are in 50s, you will have acquired enough wealth for you to be financially independent. I hope this video has provided you an insight on the first step of investing. If you liked it, please subscribe, share, and click on the like button so that the YouTube algorithm recommends this video to others who are new to investing. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, have a great day.